This is heart of Culmore community located in the Woodrow Wilson Library. So the reason that we're having this community event is that because we want to bring our community together. We know that community needs this event, so that's the reason that we invite a lot of health medical band to provide a service for this area. Especially this area does not have a lot of resources regarding health insurance. So these medical bands are greatly appreciated in this community. So we do have a fire and rescuers are here, and also we have a police departments are here too. So right now we're at the stage, we're having a math science for the kids. We have a Hidden Oaks are offering a live animal interaction with the live animals. And we also have the book table for the children to come and pick up the books. And also have a lot of information about the children's health with the MCCP and also the Just Neighbor Health Center.
And so it's a glorious day. It's a wonderful way to celebrate Earth Day. But we do this, try to do this every year for Culmore Community Day because it brings a whole lot of people together. And that's what county and community is all about, is bringing people together.
So again, this is not something we do one time a year, but we do every year to encourage our community to get connected with our government and also our NGOs. Again, we have all these programs and all these resources are happening at the Culmore Community Day. But again, if you missed this year, come to 2023 Culmore Community Day and you will be experiencing greater events in this area.
I had fun and my favorite was the slime because I got to make it and I love slime. Gracias. I had fun and my favorite was the ambulance.
Thank you.
Gracias. Come and see the event next year.